Hey Brock, want to do something evil today?
I don't know, dude. We've been doing the same thing over and over again just for you to become a stupid Doom Lord. And I just want you to be the old Master Frown, okay?
Well, I basically thought we could basically prank Dr. Fox because today is her day off.
Oh, I see. How are we going to prank that fox?
Well, considering that it's her day off, she's basically inviting her friend from Happy Tree Town, which is Sniffles the Anteater.
Oh, I know that Anteater. He really loves to eat those ants, huh?
Yeah, but they were basically a part of mind control. But do you know what I've been thinking of?
What is it, dude?
I thought we would brought our old foe back.
With what?
With this special DVD that I basically just got for them. This is the Bugs Life DVD, but THX certified.
Why would you bring a THX certified to Dr. Fox?
Oh, you'll see soon, Brock. You'll find out soon enough. Right now, I'm just gonna put this away. So that way, we'll try to see what happens when we see the look on their faces.
Oh, sure, dude. Like you always think.
No one's ever figured out what it's made of, but now that it's back, I can finally get a sample. Though the mission does.
Can't we just watch something else for a while, Dr. Fox? I've been tired of seeing the same episode of yours over and over again. No way, Sniffles. This is my favorite episode because it stars me, and science must continue. That's who I am. Well, could we just try to think of a different topic instead of watching your same show over and over that you've been introduced in? Well, I know for a fact that you really want to watch something else, but what do you basically have in mind? Well, I've been thinking anything besides the show that you appeared in, but couldn't we just watch something else like, I don't know, our show, which is where I starred in? Well, you know for a fact that I obviously don't like the bloody stuff in there because those are kind of scary, and you know for a fact that I'm made out of Lego, right? Oh, well, I guess it does make sense that you are indeed made out of bricks in that series of yours. Yeah, that's because Unikitty was in there, and we don't have any blood in our organs. Yeah, because you're made out of Lego. But I've been thinking about, how about if we watch something else, like a Bug's Life, for example? Because this one has bugs in it, and it does remind me of those ants. Did you remember them? Oh yeah, those pesky ants of yours. I kind of forgot that he killed you last time. Yeah, if it weren't for the crew taking the ants out, none of this would ever happen. Besides, they killed me one time and they mind controlled me to get myself killed from them. Yeah, you should at least know better, Sniffles, but I guess it's kind of okay instead of watching the same thing like I usually do. Alright, I'm gonna go put the disc in. Alright. Try to be safe, Doc. Okay, the disc is ready, Sniffles. I'm ready to watch the movie. So you technically haven't seen it before, have you? Nope, not really. Then why did Mr. Frown give you that DVD specifically? I'm not really sure, but he was kind of nice, I guess. But as long as he's up to no evil tricks. Yeah, that's what you basically think. He's always like that. Besides, he's actually much more worse than the ants. I really still hate those guys. I know how you feel, Sniffles. Anyhow, let's watch the movie. Oh, wow. This takes a long time to load, doesn't it? I know, the warning screens take a long time to get to the menu. Well, we're at the DVD menu. Why do we go ahead and press play? I think I should do the options, Dr. Fox. Let's the Anteater to his business.
Alright then. Here we go. I wonder what's gonna happen. Huh? What's that noise? Ah! What is that? What is that?
What is that?
I don't know, Sniffles. What is that thing?
Looks like THX.
Is that your robot, Sniffles?
No, I didn't invent that robot, but it doesn't look anything like your robots in your lab.
I think, did he say, oh, George?
I'm pretty sure that's what he said.
Uh-oh. He's fixing the logo.
Uh-oh, that's not good. Uh-oh, take cover, Doc! Ah! 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 Ah!
Curse you, Frown! You didn't tell me this DVD was THX-Certified, and I completely forgot that robot was in that DVD.
Boy, you both should have seen the look on your faces when you saw that evil robot partner I just teamed up.
Was it really necessary to let them be afraid of Tex the robot in that scary logo?
Of course! I knew him so well, so I decided to team up with him.
Well, good prank, bro. I guess.
No problem, Brock. No problem.